I'm gonna have you follow along on my phone while I record how to make an album cover in less than 5 minutes. And we're gonna start now. Alright, so the first thing you do is go to the Play Store and download Adobe Spark Post. You get Spark Post and then you open it and there are a million pictures here. What's really cool about this is you can scroll through and browse if you like, and the great thing about all of these is that you can change the format to a square format for your album cover. I know this is kind of like cheating and it's not the same as designing original art for your album, but if you're like me and you release a new song every week, you don't have time to create a beautiful masterpiece for each song. Now, if you're making a debut album, totally take the time or spend the money to have somebody create something original for you. But if you're releasing music every week like me, this is just a great hack for releasing an album cover super fast. In this example, you might scroll through here and try to find something. I think I found mine in lifestyle. You can always too, like if you can't find what you're looking for here, you can hit the plus button and then you can actually search for anything that is related to your song title or the genre or just what you think would look good. So if you wanted a Asian theme, maybe that will give us something here. Now, it's just a lot of Asian people, but you know, this blossom tree is something Asian. You could use that. So you select the photo and then you click add at the top right. And then instead of a social post or any of these things, I always pick the square, and it's a little bit higher resolution. So just scroll over to the 1:1 square, tap that, then you click done, tap done. If you didn't want this girl, for instance, in the picture, you could actually zoom in, crop her out. So you tap the text to edit, which has already been formatted to look good with the picture. So I'll just do something, nanny, whoop, boo, So I think that's what it's gonna be. Nanny nanny boo boo, there you go. And it looks good already. If you wanted to change your font, you could. Just tap there and it gives you a bunch of fonts. My brand is a little more sloppy, so let's get something. No? Yeah, okay, done. Great. And then that looks good, but if for some reason you wanted to change the colors, it already selects a palette for you, but you can click here, you can find pre-made color palette, or you can create your own. It's very fast, very intuitive. So I've spent maybe 2 minutes and I've already got an album cover for this. So the next thing you do is just click download, tap download. Another thing I like to do is have another copy of this without the text. So I've downloaded that and then I will delete the text. In case you wanted to put it in the background of a video or something else and it didn't line up exactly, you could do it this way too. And then download that also. And now you have a new album cover that you can use to upload your music to Spotify or YouTube or wherever it is you put your music. And that's it. If you want to know some of the other ways that I make a song every week, go ahead and watch this playlist here. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. And if you know another artist out there that needs help making album covers very quickly, go ahead and share this with them as well. Thank you so much for your time, and please subscribe and hit the bell notification to see the next video as soon as it comes out.